studying in the United States, you need an F1 student visa. This visa is a gateway to world-class education and global opportunities. But how do you get one? In this video, I'll be giving you a step-by-step guide on how to apply. Stay tuned. Step 1. Get accepted. First, you need to apply to a school approved by the Student and Exchange Visitors Program and get accepted. Once accepted, the school will give you a special form called the I-20. This is a very important document for your visa application. Next, you pay for the service fee. This service fee is very essential. This links your student record to the US immigration system. Once payment is made and you receive a receipt, keep it safely because you will need it for your visa interview. The next step is to fill out the online application form. Now you have to complete the DS-160 form online. This is your official US visa application. Ensure that you are honest and you double check every detail. Once complete, print out the confirmation page. The next step, schedule your visa interview. Make payments of the visa application fee and book your visa interview at the US Embassy. Please note that interview slots do fill up fast, so ensure you schedule early. This important step, preparing for your visa interview. Now you have to prepare all your documents, which include your passport photograph, your student acceptance form, the online confirmation page, visa appointment confirmation, the service fee receipt, financial proof, transcripts, and any test scores. Most importantly, be confident and know your study plan. Attending your visa interview. Be prepared for questions such as, why did you choose the school? What are your study plans? How do you intend to sponsor your education? And lastly, prove your strong ties to your home country. If all goes well and you get your visa approved, you'll be on your way to the US for school. So, do you need help with getting the F1 visa? Well, we are here to guide you on every process, making it easy and smooth for you. Follow us for more visa tips and don't forget to drop a comment if you have any questions. Bye.